What's going on, everyone? Christian from RackNerd. Wow, time absolutely flies, doesn't it? And just like that, we are back to Black Friday 2024, and wow, I have to say, it has been an absolutely incredible year. We've achieved so much in 2024 and could not have done it without you, our amazing community and our loyal customers. This year, we're honored to share that RackNerd has made it onto the prestigious Inc. 5000 list, ranking at number 1,506 nationally across the United States, and number 58 on the Inc. 5000 Regionals Pacific list. This accomplishment is a testament to your support and our hard work, and we cannot thank you guys enough for it. And if you thought we were resting on our laurels at that, think again. This recognition only reaffirms our commitment to growth and expansion. We're expanding to even more data center locations, expanding our network, expanding our staff, and continuing to push the boundaries of what we can deliver for you. Our thread hit over 3 million views, you heard that right, 3 million, and this year we're taking it up another notch. Get ready, because not only will we be offering some crazy deals, but we're also giving back to the community with tons of giveaways, no purchase necessary. What kind of giveaways? Great question. We're talking about dozens of physical items shipped to you, such as gaming laptops, gaming computers, technology gadgets, RackNerd swag, free VPS and dedicated servers, and free hosting and cash, RackNerd account credits, thousands of dollars worth of prizes, and so much more. Oh, and did I mention no purchase necessary? For all the bandwidth-hungry users out there, we've got you covered with our popular free double bandwidth. Plus, this year we're also going to be bringing out a fun twist with our Wheel of Fortune, so you can unlock even more discounts off of your order. Interested yet? Well, keep listening. The deals are so unbelievable, you will want to snatch them up fast. And don't forget to stay active within our thread. We've got more surprises up our sleeve, and this will be the most intense Black Friday thread of the year. Our Black Friday deals are live and updated in real time on our Black Friday page, so head over to racknerd.com/Black Friday and get in on the action. Get ready, because the giveaways this year are next level. We're thrilled to give back to this amazing community with an epic lineup of prizes. Here's what we're giving away for our main giveaway, but keep in mind this doesn't even include our surprise giveaways that we will be dropping throughout the thread. Last year, we gave away hundreds of unannounced items, so staying active and up to date with this thread really pays off. Keep an eye on the latest posts and stay engaged. We're giving away an Acer Nitro 5 gaming laptop with an NVIDIA RTX 4050, 16 gigabytes of RAM, 512GB SSD, a DJI 3 drone, 2 TCL 55-inch smart TVs, 2 HyperX QuadCast S microphones, 2 Soundcore Boom 2 outdoor speakers, 5 Redragon S101 gaming keyboards and mouse combos, 5 $25 RackNerd account credits, 10 RackNerd t-shirt plus RackNerd pen combos, 10 RackNerd branded leather keychains, 10 RackNerd gaming mousepads and a RackNerd pen, 5 SwissGear RackNerd branded backpacks, 20 RackNerd variety of stickers and a RackNerd pen, 20 newest edition RackNerd coffee mugs. Do you have high energy and love a good party? Then listen up. In addition to the main giveaway I just covered, we will also be offering chances to win these awesome items for those of you who stay the most engaged on our thread. First place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place, sixth place. The physical items we're giving away can be shipped to anywhere in the US if you win. If you're outside the US, don't worry, you'll actually receive the equivalent amount in RackNerd account credit. To enter the main giveaway, simply drop a comment on the LowEndTalk thread. When the main giveaway ends on December 13th, 2024, we will gather all of the usernames for all of those who commented on the LowEndTalk thread. We'll then use an online list randomizer website to shuffle all of those participants. The winners will be selected based on the order in which the prizes were mentioned earlier in this video. For example, the top name on the randomized list gets the first prize, and so on, until all of the prizes are gone and all of the winners have been chosen. Winners will have 72 hours after receiving a DM to collect their prize. Dustin will DM the winners on LowEndTalk and will also tag them publicly within the thread. Now for the engagement giveaway, this one's separate from the main giveaway, what we just went over. How do you win the engagement giveaway? Well, we'll be counting each user's post in the thread from now until December 23rd, 2024 at 11 a.m. Pacific. The person with the most posts within the thread by then will win a gaming computer, followed by prizes for 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th place. On top of that, remember we've got some surprise giveaways that won't be announced ahead of time, so stay engaged, keep your eyes on the thread, watch our latest posts, and make sure you don't miss out. To get on the action, all you need to do is comment on our LowEndTalk thread and stay active. It really is that easy. And don't forget, you can check out our amazing deals at racknerd.com/Black Friday. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you around. Have fun and good luck.